If you're tired of getting underpaid as a Shipt Shopper, I got the video for you. I'm going to be going over how I made $55 in 55 minutes. Without further ado, let's get right into it. What's up, everybody? Mr. Hustle here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing Shipt, so we're just going to get right into it. The first thing, the most important thing I did to achieve these results is promo hunting. Now, promo hunting is when you go after the promo orders, the orders with the bonus pay. These are the orders that are getting close to the delivery window and they're running out of time to be completed. So Shipt offers extra money on top of the original base pay. Normally it starts at $1 to $3 extra, and then as it gets closer to the end of the delivery window, they bump it up to 5, 7, 9, 10. In order to understand promo hunting, you have to understand how it works. So for example, what you're going to want to do is when you see an offer, you're going to want to check the delivery window. So for these offers, I did 2 offers. These 2 offers had a delivery window of 7 to 8 p.m. So that's the first thing you want to look at in order to know when you'll be able to get that max bonus pay. So the first thing I looked at was the delivery window, 7 to 8 p.m. The second thing I looked at was the estimated delivery time or order time. So it said 29 minutes, I believe, or we'll use that as the example. So if the estimated order time is 29 minutes and the delivery window is 7 to 8, you can use that information to determine when you'll be able to get the max bonus pay. So that means 30 to 40 minutes before the end of the delivery window, you'll be able to get that max bonus pay. Now, in my market, the max bonus pay is $10. In some markets, it may be $7 or less. Comment down below if your market is different. So yes, that was the first step. At 7:31, the order would have been reset, the bonus pay would have been removed, and the delivery window would have been pushed back to 8 to 9 p.m. I don't want to go over that too long. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer. I left my house 7:20. I took these orders around 7:20. Like I said, 10 minutes before, you'll get the max bonus pay. So like 7:20, 7:21, it went to full max bonus pay. Shipt updates the pay every 5 minutes. So 7:20, 7:25, 7:30, 7:35. So yeah, once I seen the max bonus pay, I took both orders. I headed to the store. I'm 10 minutes away from the store, so I got to the store 7:30. And that gets us to my second method of earning all this money. It's not just hunting the promos. You got the promos, you think you're in the clear? No. Because even though there was an estimated tip, that doesn't guarantee they'll tip you, especially if it might be a late order, they were waiting long. So that's when these next 2 things come into play. So number 2, customer service. So even though I had 30 minutes to take care of these 2 orders, I didn't sacrifice customer service, because if you do that, you might sacrifice your tip. So once I started shopping, I messaged both customers. I let them know, hey, I'm starting a shop. And then one customer did have something out of stock, so I made sure to message them immediately. The other customer, there were no issues, so before checkout, I let them know, head into checkout. I'll update you once your order's ready to be brought inside. You just want to keep them updated with the basics. Starting a shop, this is out of stock. Head into checkout, your order's ready to be brought inside. Those are the 4 main points for customer service. Just keep them updated. I did drop off the first order around 8, and the second order was 8:15, so it was about 15 minutes late, but you do get late forgiveness when you do these promo orders. So you don't got to worry about your ratings. If you're 15 minutes late, no biggie. I believe you get up to 30 minutes late forgiveness, but it may be more than that. But just make sure you don't deliver more than 30 minutes past the end of the delivery window, because then you're getting into risky territory. You might get some bad ratings if you're more than 30 minutes late. Okay, so what's the third thing? We went over promo hunting. We went over customer service. The third thing is speed and efficiency. So now I had to shop for about 20 things, but it only took me about 10 minutes because I was very efficient. I looked at all the items before I even started shopping. I seen, okay, we got a few items here in these aisles. So I knew everywhere in the store I had to go, and I planned my route through the store. So I went to the baby section, I went to the food, and I went to the hygiene and personal care. And it was perfect. It was just one loop. It wasn't going back and forth all over the store. You got to plan your route accordingly. And you're going to want to make sure you're being efficient so you're not distracted, not shopping for yourself if you're on a time crunch, not on the phone talking to whoever's important in your life. No. So yes. Also, when creating your delivery routes, I make sure to check both addresses and see what would be the fastest way to deliver both of these orders. So I'll put both addresses in my GPS, see what's closer. Normally, I'll do the closer order first. So yeah, those are the three main things I use to make $55 in 55 minutes. That does include the 10-minute drive to the store. So I really only worked 45 minutes, but I thought $55 for 55 minutes might sound better. So yeah, I did get an $18 tip after dropping off those orders. I never got the second tip, so hopefully that $8 tip still comes in to get me over $60. That'd be awesome. But yeah, just wanted to share this knowledge with you guys quick. Promo hunting is a great way to make a little extra money, especially at the end of the day, say 6 to 11 p.m. When a lot of orders are coming in, there's not a lot of shoppers, especially on like a Friday night, Saturday night. That's when you're able to do these promo hunting bundles. I've done these a few times, got some great results. So let me know if you're going to give it a try for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, so please consider subscribing so we can smash that goal. So stay tuned for that. As always, appreciate you checking us out. Hope you're doing well. See you on the next one. Mr. Hustle, out.